Which natural material is stronger than steel yet thinner than a human hair? Any guesses? Think you know the answer? What if I told you it comes from one of nature's smallest engineers? We're talking about something so lightweight, but it's 5 times stronger than steel and can stretch up to 4 times its length. Keep guessing. Almost there. It's spider silk. These tiny engineers create the strongest natural fiber on Earth, and it can even be used to make bulletproof vests and artificial tendons. Amazing, right? If nature blows your mind, hit that subscribe button. Let's explore more of the world's best builders together. Spider silk, nature's ultimate engineering marvel.